One of my main roles here at Critter Care is managing the bears inside and outside of our care. Hi, my name's Emma. I'm the Junior Wildlife Supervisor and the Head Bear Supervisor here at Critter Care Wildlife Society. So when someone calls about an orphaned cub, we first try to get as much detail as possible with how long they've been seeing it, where they've been seeing it, where they're located, and if there's been a mom around at all or anything like that. At that time, we will get in contact with conservation and see if we can be granted permission to intake this cub. The rescues for bears are a little bit challenging because they are obviously a very strong and very big animal. Even though they are small, they are very strong. So we usually try with capturing of bears to use live traps. This is just a metal trap that's baited with food. It's more likely for the animal to go in it, and it's a lot less stressful for them. So we place the trap where they've been seen most frequently. They have to be placed on someone's yard or in their area where it can be monitored constantly. Once the bear goes into the trap, they will have my phone number, they will give me a call, and I will go out at any hour to pick up the bear, and then the bear will come into our care and we'll get a full examination, and then we will go forward with its care from there. After we receive a bear, it gets taken into one of our exam rooms where we will do an exam. For bears, we try to do as least hands-on as possible. So we will get their weight and we will do a general overlook. If they have an injury or an illness that we think we need to sedate them for, we can do that here. And then we can prescribe anything that they need, whether that's an antibiotic or an anti-inflammatory. From then, we kind of decide based on each situation if the animal is to stay inside or go straight outside to an outdoor enclosure. Once they go outside, they are placed in an isolation area. This is so if we are integrating bears into a cage that already has bears, it's done slowly and they can get used to each other through a small area. For releasing our black bears, we always release them after the spring hunting season, which tends to end in around June. From that, we have to do this in coordination with BC Conservation and the BC Ministry and Government. So there's a lot of hands that are needed to make sure their release is done well. A common misconception is that black bears are quite dangerous. They are approaching on humans because a lot of times people are leaving out garbage or doing things that the bears don't know is incorrect. People need to understand that these bears are just trying to live, they're trying to eat, and a lot of times the food resources for them aren't plentiful, and if there is food available, they're going to eat it. So people need to be better about putting away their garbage and locking it up so that we aren't ruining the bear's chance of life.